Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom. Today's message is for those who have survived the highest levels of narcissistic toxicity. If you've endured manipulation, emotional abuse, physical harm, or even threats to your life, know this. You are still here, and you have the strength to reclaim your life. This message is for anyone who has faced not just emotional pain, but real, tangible attempts to erase you from your life, your reality, and your sense of self. Surviving narcissistic abuse often goes far beyond heartbreak or emotional manipulation. Some of you have faced physical abuse, moments of real danger, or even near-death experiences at the hands of someone who claimed to love you. Others have endured calculated schemes to evict you from your home, destroy your property, or steal your identity. These are not just acts of cruelty. They are attempts to break your spirit, to make you doubt your worth, and to convince you that you have no power left. And yet, here you are. You survived. Understanding the magnitude of what you endured is the first step toward reclaiming your power. Recognize the patterns of destruction, the lies, the betrayals, the manipulations, and the chaos designed to destabilize your life. Narcissists use fear, deception, and control to try to dominate every aspect of your reality. They may manipulate your family, friends, or colleagues, turning them against you. They may take what is yours, your home, your belongings, your finances, and even your identity. This is abuse at the highest level, and surviving it is nothing short of heroic. Healing from this type of trauma is both a spiritual and emotional journey. It requires patience, self-compassion, and awareness. Begin by acknowledging the physical, emotional, and spiritual wounds you carry. Allow yourself to feel the fear, the anger, the sadness, and even the moments of disbelief without judgment. These emotions are not signs of weakness. They are proof of your humanity, your depth, and your capacity to survive. By honoring your experiences, you reclaim your heart, your voice, and your power. Spiritual empowerment plays a profound role in the healing process. Many survivors recount moments where a divine presence or protective force prevented harm that they could not see coming. Whether it was narrowly avoiding a life-threatening situation, being guided to safety, or having the truth about the narcissist revealed at the perfect time, these moments are evidence that you are not alone. Your survival is a sign that something greater than toxicity is protecting you. Your life has purpose, and your journey is part of a larger plan for healing, restoration, and empowerment. Reclaiming your life also requires practical steps to protect yourself. Set clear boundaries, both physical and emotional. Remove yourself from environments or relationships that threaten your peace. Distance yourself from anyone who drains your energy, manipulates your emotions, or disrespects your worth. When you prioritize your well-being, you send a powerful message. Your heart is sacred, your life is valuable, and your strength cannot be compromised. It's natural to feel anger, resentment, or fear after enduring extreme abuse. You may grieve what was taken from you, your property, your security, or even your identity. These feelings are valid and necessary for processing your trauma. Healing is not about suppressing your emotions. It's about integrating them and using them to build resilience. Each moment of self-awareness, every decision to honor your boundaries, and every choice to step away from toxicity is a victory. Remember the words of Proverbs 4 verse 23. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Guarding your heart is both spiritual and practical. It means recognizing manipulation, protecting your resources, and refusing to allow toxic energy into your life. It means understanding that your strength comes not from controlling others, but from controlling how you allow love, energy, and respect to enter your life. Healing is also about reclaiming your identity. Narcissists often attempt to erase the person you are, twisting your sense of self and creating doubt. They may destroy personal items, interfere with your work, or even attempt to manipulate legal or financial systems to destabilize you. Recognize that none of this defines you. Your identity, your soul, and your spirit remain intact. Reclaiming your life means taking back every piece of yourself that was challenged or attacked. Your journey may not be linear. You might experience triggers, flashbacks, or moments of doubt. You might feel anger at what was stolen, or grief over the peace that was taken. These experiences are part of reclaiming your power. They are reminders that you survived, that you are human, and that your heart remains strong. Each time you rise above fear, anger, or manipulation, you affirm your strength and your freedom. Take a deep breath and affirm, I survived the highest levels of narcissistic toxicity. I reclaim my heart, my strength, and my life. I am protected, guided, and empowered. You are worthy of love, respect, and peace. Your life is sacred, and your journey has purpose. Every step forward is a declaration of your power and resilience. If this message resonates, like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual guidance, practical tools, and empowerment. Your journey matters. Your strength matters. Your life is yours to reclaim. Remember, surviving is not the end. It is the beginning of the life you are always meant to live.